environment.
Yeah, Lori Wallace is live to explain. Hi, Lori.
Hey, good morning, you guys. You are going to love this. So many of us have been trying to get our green thumbs working over this quarantine. I'm at the Yisrael Family Urban Farm in South Oak Park. And as you take a look around, you'll see a lot of different things happening back here. And these guys are so committed. They work so hard. But just so you know, this is not how they started out. They had day jobs before they got into this. And I have Kanoke here with me right now to talk a little bit about this. Now, this has been really fun for you guys, but a lot of people are trying to be just like you these days.
Absolutely. Now with the pandemic and everything that's going on, many people are wanting to grow their own food now. And so we're here to serve and make sure that everybody can achieve that dream, because I know what it's like.
Yeah, and you make it look so easy, but let's not forget how much work and time you put into this to get it to where it is right now. Talk about what you grow back here, because you have a little bit of everything.
Well, so it just really depends on the season. Of course, right now there's a lot of things coming on here. We've got a food box. What we have here is we've got some zucchini here. We've got the Black Beauty zucchini. We've got some Pantheon zucchini there. We've also got turnips, patty pan squash, okra, also known as ladyfingers, cucumbers, as well as some lettuce.
And I found you guys on Instagram, transforming the hood for good. That's what you have on all your logo stuff.
Absolutely.
And this is something you've been working on for a while, and now you're bringing things back into the community. Now that things are loosening up a little bit, you're able to get back out there. Where can people find you?
Well, one place that you can find us is on our website. It's www.yisrael, Y-I-S-R-A-E-L, familyfarmshop.net. And right now what we're doing there is we have a curbside pickup. So you can buy plants from us, you can buy soap from us, and also you can buy produce that you just saw there.
Yeah, and you have a lot of interesting things. Let's take a look behind him real quick, because these are the coolest flowering plants right now. What is this?
Well, actually, this is called a cardoon. It's the relative that you're probably used to seeing as an artichoke, but this is a cardoon. Oh. It's a beautiful plant, as you see here. I don't water it at all.
What?
It grows just like it is from just the water that comes through from nature. So it's a wonderful plant. It attracts bees into the garden. So you've got pollinators that are coming in, which are great for our squash plants. So this is just a wonderful plant. And then you can actually eat the stalks here. There's a way to go about eating these stalks as well as the flowers. So, you know, it's a multi-purpose plant for us.
That's what I mean. You make it look so easy. You don't even water this thing. Look how huge it is.
How big it gets.
Look how good you're doing back here. All right, so we're going to stick around, because not only do you do the garden, but you also have plants and some body products that you guys do. So we're going to take a look at that coming up next hour. I want a yard like this, but I want this guy to take care of it for me. So here's the deal. They actually are garden coaches too. So if you look them up online or on Instagram, they will help you get your garden in order, in good shape. So they're good for that too. So, oh look, he's showing off again. See?
We got some pepper plants here, a couple squashes. Usually what we're doing for people is we're actually putting them in these wine barrels here. So what we can do is we can come out, bring a wine barrel, we'll put soil in it, we'll bring you some plants, and in 2 to 3 weeks, in most cases, you'll be ready to start harvesting your own food.
He said
Get out of here.
He said it. Nice. You'll be ready. I know. Such a cool place. We're going to show you around a little bit more coming up in the 8 o'clock hour, guys. Back over to you.
So cool.